Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is doulos. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is doulos. The Greek word doulos translates to slave or servant in English, typically referring to someone who is in a position of subordination, often serving a master. And it is used by Paul for himself and believers in relation to Christ. And we have some English words or names derived from doulos. The word doula, it's also used in English. It's a woman who provides support to another woman during pregnancy and childbirth. So it comes from doulos, reflecting the concept of service, albeit in a non-coercive and supportive manner. And then, of course, it has gone into Latin. And so that concept of dominion, it's derived from the Latin dominium, which in turn traces back to the idea of master or lordship. That's why we have dominus. So the master, and then you have the slave, related to the concept of servitude or ownership implied by the doulos. Now, it occurs in several passages in the New Testament. For example, Matthew chapter 6, verse 24. Jesus says, "No one can serve two masters," where serve, that verb, is derived from doulos. And then in Romans chapter 1, verse 1, Paul introduces himself as Paul, a servant, doulos, of Christ Jesus. And then another example, Philippians chapter 1, verse 1, where Paul and Timothy are described as servants or douloi of Christ Jesus. And so we ask ourselves, how do I view my role in service to others and God? Am I serving with humility? Or is there an expectation of reward or recognition? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.